Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to do something special, well, like always. We're going to do the string technique, but I'm going to try another way to go about it. I'm going to put 4 strings on a stick at the same time, right? You know what I mean? So I think it's going to be strange. I'm not sure it's going to work, but at least we're going to try it. Then we're going to do over it or just beside it the usual way. So we're going to see if there is a difference. So let's go and try it. So guys, I think it's a very interesting technique. Is it worth it to do 4 strings at the same time? I don't think so. I think it's a lot of work. I don't think you can do a precise job with it, because each string seems to go want to go their own way. So I think it's kind of hard. I think, well, it's strange. We had to make it. I don't think it's ugly, of course. I think it's nice, but it's nice because we did go over it with a simple string and a double string. I have to say that the double string, it's interesting. Of course, when you use a double string, it leaves more acrylic, more color on the same place. The place where you put your string at first, it leaves a lot more acrylic. So it's kind of nice to do it at some place to have a nice contrast. So I think it's nice. Would I do it ever again with this method, meaning 4 strings at a time? No, I don't think it's worth it. I think, you know, I like this technique, but I always find it's a lot of work, and it's a little bit stressing to do so, because you never quite know when you're gonna finish. You always want to do something else with it. In some place you find it someplace not perfect or not to your liking, so you try to do something over it. So anyway guys, I think the way we did it, it's nice. I'm not sure, like I said, it's worth it, so I would stay the usual way with only 1 string. But the double string, like I said, it's interesting because it leaves a lot more acrylic on the same spot. So I think it's something to do with a single string, of course. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it, because, well, it's not that easy, but I think it's worth a try. Like I say, 2 string and 1 string, you do them both, you see what happens. It's nice either way. So guys, I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna come back, and please, like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.